Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for Cosmos. So, as always, our key level criteria. We look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we notice is our monthly swing high, which is obvious to spot with multiple reactions on the monthly chart. Now, same thing, we can go ahead and plot in our monthly swing low here. And we also notice another key level right here, where we see multiple reactions acting as resistance, and then the level flipped and now is acting as support, which is obvious to spot here on the monthly. So let's go ahead and hop to the weekly chart so we can see more price action. We notice a key level right here, where price has acted as resistance, and we see the level acting as support here, which is obvious to spot on the chart. Now we can also go ahead and plot in our weekly swing high. We notice a key level right here too, where price acted as resistance, and as support. So remember, these key levels are areas where we were planning for price to react to, as price can stall and break right through. Now we also notice a key level right here. We see a reaction from this long wick here, and we see it acting as support and resistance before reversing drastically. So these are all of our key levels plotted on the chart. If you guys enjoyed the video and got any value from it, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.